Hi, it's Mitchell Bestwick from Bestwick Real Estate here. I'm joined with Alex Sparks from Sparks Finance. Thanks for your time, mate.
Thank you very much for having me.
Perfect. I was wanting to ask you a couple of questions about mortgage broking and what your services are to the wider community.
Yep, not a problem at all. Let's do it.
So, Alex, can you tell me a bit more about what a mortgage broker does?
Yeah, so a mortgage broker is basically the middle person between someone who's getting the loan, the client, and the banks. So a mortgage broker is essentially like a comparison website in a way that we take into consideration all of their needs and goals, and we have a look at all the different lenders within the market and choose the right one for them.
How much does it actually cost to engage your services as a mortgage broker?
And this is the best thing about my service is free. The bank will pay me a commission once the loan settles, so there's no upfront cost for any of my clients.
Who do you actually help as a mortgage broker?
So we help a lot of different people in different circumstances. I specialise in helping first home buyers get into the property market, but we also help people that are looking at upgrading, who are looking to refinance to get a better rate, and also too we help any investor who's looking at buying an investment property and making sure they all have the right loan for them.
So Alex, if someone's already got a mortgage and they didn't get the mortgage through you, it could have been another broker or the bank, can they refinance through you and your services?
Yeah, absolutely. They can come and see me, and we can do a home loan review just to sort of see where they sit in the market. If we need to refinance, yes, we can absolutely look at the different options that are available for that person, because the benefits, are so good to make sure that we get a really competitive rate for them. I'm literally just doing one this morning, and this client is refinancing. I've managed to get a rate about 0.5% difference, and that equates to about $68,000 over the life of the loan. So there's a lot of benefits of refinancing.
And there's any cost to have them come in and sit with you to discuss their options?
No, absolutely not. My services are free, so that person can come in, discuss what they want to do, and we can give them the best advice on moving forward.
Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit about Sparks Finance?
We specialise in helping first home buyers get into the market, and we also help homeowners, make sure they've got the right home loan in place, and ensure we provide them step-by-step guidance throughout the process.
What is the point of difference with Sparks Finance?
For me, the point of difference to start with is really about communication. I think it's really important that I'm communicating with not only my clients but with you, so you can communicate effectively with your vendors. Everyone is here for the same reason, to make sure that person gets that property. So if everyone's on the same page, we're all able to get to that outcome together, to make sure that it's as stress-free as possible, to make it a really great experience for everyone. I'm also a Bathurst local. My office is here, my family is here. So I really love helping those people, within our community. As I sort of said, I've grown up here, so I understand it, and it's just so great, after I've helped someone to sort of walk down the street, and be able to sort of bump into them and see how their home's going and what they've managed to achieve and their renovations and all that kind of thing. So, that's a really positive thing for me, and I hope it gives them peace of mind knowing they've got someone local that's in their corner. Another thing that I think is really important too, is generally a home loan's over 30 years, and I'm here for the long haul. So, it's really nice when I'm sort of discussing that, that loan option with my customers, knowing that, I'm committed to help and see them through that whole stage, and, whether it be 10 years down the track, we're still sitting there talking about that first time we met and seeing all the things that they managed to achieve.
So Alex, just wanted to talk about a family that we both help. I got called out to their house to potentially list and sell it because they wanted to buy that family home. After getting to know a little bit about them and their situation, I introduced them to you, and how'd it go?
We went through my proven process and secured them the dream home, but also able to keep their existing property as an investment property.
Perfect. And these guys have now got an investment property they thought they wouldn't have been anywhere near of being able to have, and they're now set up, and the family's set up for a fantastic future. Thanks, Alex, for that. If people have any questions, how do they get in contact with you?
Yep, you can simply give me a call, send me an email, or send me a message on Facebook. More than happy to help.
Thanks for your time, mate.
Appreciate it.
Are we good? Right, my tie straight? Okay, perfect. But whatever happens here doesn't fix here.
That's all right. Point of difference, all right? You are who you are, and I'm proud of you.
Look, this is memorable for the wrong reasons.
Is that light? Or
yeah, is there enough reflection, or is it? Could this be edited, or?
Okay.
Yeah, cool. All right. Lucky I know. Have you ever seen a real estate agent and a mortgage broker wrestle? Because you're about to.
Goanna Wrestling, bonus footage. Please subscribe to our newsletter. Bonus footage. Yeah.
Yep. No. All right. Lucky we're good at what we do.